So after we've installed our unit, or any time throughout the lifetime of your ownership of the new Simrad NSX, we have the ability to connect to a hotspot and download the latest software. So let's walk you through those steps so you can make sure you have the latest software every time you're on the water. So now that we've hit our home button, we're going to now go into our settings menu. And the first thing we need to do is set up our Wi-Fi network. So again, you're going to set this up just like you're used to with any other device. As you can see here, we're connected to the Navico office that we're in. And then if we do have our Simrad app, we can go set up a subscription, go to the device, use the QR code, add the MFD, and now we can run that upgrade directly through the Simrad app, or we can manually run that update through our software updates tab. So again, we're going to go connect. We want to connect via Wi-Fi. It's going to turn on. Again, we're going to connect to our hotspot, and then ours is already updated, but if not, it'll tell you that there's an update available, and let's do that update. You also have the ability to turn on auto download. So as long as we pull in and out of port or wherever that Wi-Fi hotspot is and becomes active, it will automatically go out and look to see if there is a newer update for the machine and download it in the background. And then when it's downloaded to the machine, it will update the machine after that.